They were the friends that asked, "Sayan si Luwan." Diyos sa limunong ni kasi, sa spelling. They were the friends who randomly mentioned everyone in a group chat, saying, "Everyone, kinsay nine notes nila sa AP? Pwede ba send Nay nagkawat mo gud sa mong libro gud?" They were the friends who approached me and said, "Uy, gitala ni mo 4x4? Wala mo gitala? Sunod na dala ha?" They were the friends who teach me from time to time. Dan, saan pagkat ng garlic? Means. Saan ang means? Susunod, wala niya. Grade 10 na lang kawagyan mo nakabalon sa means. These friends helped me overcome the hardships I encountered and encouraged me to move further. These were the friends that stayed by my side during my stressful days. Now, me and my friends are heading to a whole new chapter of our lives. And as we do, I hope we'll be able to overcome any hardships we encounter and in hopes to meet new kind people who will also stand by our sides as we face hard battles in the future. My fellow graduates, keep on the hard work, and as we part our ways, may our memories be like a photo album we'd always keep. To dear parents, you have sacrificed so much to see us on stage and receive the achievements you also worked hard to support. You sacrificed your time, your finances, and your efforts. You supported and endured much for you to see your children up here on stage and seeing you proud as you watch us grow more older, becoming more mature and independent. Thank you. I know it's anxious knowing your child is not the same as the little kid you knew before, how they were still so vulnerable. I know it's anxious knowing that you have to let them go eventually as they venture on to different journeys to write a fragment of new chapters of their life. But, my dear parents, life is like a book. You can't write a chapter without a plot, or in other words, experience. I know you are all worried as we venture on to the unknown.